Kelly Lambert is an award-winning professor of behavioral neuroscience in the Department of Psychology. Her research focuses on unique aspects of decision-making and the best strategies for protecting and enhancing the brain's ability to navigate life's uncertainties. Your latest book, published by Yale University Press, is called Well-Grounded. What is the well-grounded brain?
So glad you asked. Well, a well-grounded brain is a brain that is engaging in authentic interactions with our social world and our physical world, as opposed to maybe looking at Facebook. We're actually engaging in real face time and work, doing things to gain a sense of control over our environment. And my concern is if we start to distort that by relying on things to do our work for us or anything that distorts the value of our work, like psychoactive drugs or celebrity or privilege or poverty, that starts to create what I call brain bubbles, and it distorts our ability to make good decisions.
You've worked with rats, raccoons, and monkeys. What do these mammals have to tell us about human beings?
They all have similar brain areas that we have. And the cells in our brains, even though we have more, they look exactly the same under the microscope. The neurochemicals are the same. The rats are a wonderful model to use as we try to understand more about the complexity of the human brain.
Well, speaking of rats, I understand that you've even taught a rat to drive a car. I have to learn more about that.
Yes, that's been so much fun. The students have been so interested in using some of our old-fashioned behavioral principles to train the animal, and we're interested in how they can use the car as a tool to navigate the environment. It's a good learning opportunity, and we're not sure where that's going to take us, what destination, but it's been fun.
You coined the term behavioraceuticals. What is that, and how does it fit into your research?
So as a behavioral neuroscientist, we really value behavior and how that changes our brain and how the different behaviors we engage in changes our neurochemistry. And so considering our traditional medical approaches are pharmaceuticals and surgical approaches, I thought I could elevate the value and the recognition of behavior by calling it behavioraceuticals. And there's no side effects, and it's cheaper. So it's certainly something we need to consider, behavioraceuticals.
Kelly, you joined us a few years ago, and we were all very excited to have you come to UR. What drew you to the University of Richmond?
I've been so impressed with the intellectual curiosity that I see in my faculty colleagues and the students, and it really has been invigorating for my brain at this old age to be in this environment at this time.
Well, we're really pleased to have you, and I'm pleased that you took the time to sit down with me to let us all know a little bit more about the fabulous and impactful work that you're doing here.
It's been my pleasure.